Welcome back to the channel. Sorry, is that annoying? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, it's Quick Tip Tuesday, and today we're going to talk about checking the charging system on your motorcycle. So stay tuned. Alright, I told you we need to check the battery on the Ninja before we can trust it again. So, it's been off the charger for a couple days. Let's see what we get. Positive and negative. 12.3. Well, that's good. That's what we want to see. Now, get her started up. Turn the key. Give a little bit of choke. See? Always starts up like she should. Now, this should read probably 14. Get the idle up, she's reading about 14. So I would say the stator, alternator, whatever you want to call it, is working fine. So Ninja checks out. Just keep your batteries charged up when you're not running the bikes. Keep a trickle charger on them or something, and you shouldn't have to worry about dead batteries.